Hello, everyone. In this short video, I want to share the settings I use for the Universal Upscaler. I've tested various options, and these worked best for my needs. I've come up with my own formula for increasing the resolution of interior images in pixels using Leonardo AI. Now I'll show you the settings that helped me improve image quality for printing, without adding anything strange or unnecessary. Try them out. They might help you too. From the main screen, go to Universal Upscaler. Upload your image. My image is 896 by 896 pixels. Open Advanced Settings. Set Creativity Strength to 1, Details Contrast to 3, and Similarity to 10. Then click Upscale. As you can see, nothing unnecessary was added to the image, and it was successfully upscaled to 1792 by 1792 pixels. Let's zoom in to better see the visual difference. This is the original image before upscaling. You can see the pixelation on the chair. And this is the upscaled one. The pixelation is gone. The difference is clear. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day, everyone.